Hare Krishna. Soon we are going to celebrate Lord Nrsingadev's appearance, Nrsinga Chaturdasi, practically in every temple of ISKCON all over the world. Nrsingadev bears a very, very special significance to us, the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. And that's why every day we offer prayers to Nrsingadev. Practically after every Aratik, we offer prayer to Nrsingadev. While we are worshippers of Radha Krishna and we do not worship any other incarnation, so to say, then why do we have such special worship, such special significance of Nrsingadev? The reason is that Lord Nrsingadev actually removes all the obstacles from the path of devotion. Nrsingadev is Bhakti Bigna Binashan. He destroys the bignas, the impediments from the path of bhakti. Since we want to progress in our devotional service, that's why we offer our prayers to Lord Nrsingadev, so that he removes all the obstacles from the path of our devotion, and so that we can achieve success. Materially, in order to achieve success, people worship Ganesh. Brahma Samhita described that Ganesh removes the obstacles from all three worlds. Bignan bihantum alamasya jagatrayasya. Bignan, the impediments, obstacles, bihantum, he destroys, of jagatrayasya, of three planetary systems, upper, middle and lower planetary systems. And how does it do that? Jat pada pallava jugang binidhaya kumbha. Holding the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead on his head. So this personality of Godhead that Ganesh is holding his feet on his head is actually Nrsingadev. Being a devotee or worshipping Nrsingadev, Ganesh has this special power to remove all the impediments from the path of material achievements. Now, spiritual obstacles are removed by Nrsingadev. Therefore, instead of worshipping Ganesh for our success, we worship Lord Nrsingadev, because he removes the impediments from the path of devotional service. Somewhere else in Brahma Samhita, also in Nrsinga Kavacha, it has been described that when Narada is asking Brahma about the special significance of Nrsinga Kavacha, Brahma is actually saying that he became the creator, he has achieved the power to create by worshipping Lord Nrsingadev, by chanting the Kavacha of Lord Nrsingadev and wearing the Kavacha of Nrsingadev, Nrsinga Kavacha. Sashtaham Jagatang Vatsa. I am the creator of this Jagat, this universe. And not only him, he is saying that Lakshmi Jagat Trayang Pati. Lakshmi is maintaining all the creation. And Sangharta cha Maheshwara. Maheshwara, Lord Shiva, has achieved the power to destroy. And Bhubhubushcha Digishara, all the demigods have achieved the power to control all directions. So this is how we see that how Nrsingadev is not only protecting the devotees, but he is also removing all the difficulties, all the impediments from the path of our devotion. Therefore, we have such a special position in our Sampradaya for Lord Nrsingadev. So, very soon we are going to celebrate Nrsimha Chaturdasi, the day Lord appeared to destroy Hiranyakashipu, to annihilate Hiranyakashipu in order to protect Prahlad Maharaj. So this day is very special to us. So let's celebrate this occasion very nicely and take shelter of Nrsingadev wholeheartedly so that we can achieve our success in our spiritual progress. Thank you all very much. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.